Hi everyone, welcome back to my AWS series. So today I have received one request to host a React application using the AWS services. In my last video, I have hosted a static website where I have created one index.html. But this time I will take a React build and I will put this React build inside the S3, and then we can showcase from S3 as well. And I will connect this S3 static host locations to the cloud front end, so you can see you can access this website through the cloud front. So let me first create a React application for you. Let me go to the VS Code, Visual Studio Code. All right, I am creating from scratch so that you can understood everything how we can do this. So your terminal is loading. Yeah. So I have one project. I have one folder. I think dummy. Yeah. So under the dummy project, I am going to create one React project using these command. I'm not using the create React app to install unnecessary things, right? So I'm going to use the Vita here. So let me copy this first. It will take some time to create the React app. So yeah, let wait for 2 minutes. Let me provide the basic informations to this first, and I will choose the React one. Yeah, with the arrow of keyboard you can move. I am choosing the normal JavaScript, and yes, I am installing the dependencies. Okay, so here you can see that all the dependencies has been installed, and it ran the application for us, so we can access this React application directly here. So yeah, so this is the home page, right, for our dummy React application. So let me go here and Control C. All right, and let me open this project first. Okay, open folder, and let me go to the this PC, see where this is under, sorry, under the users. I am here, and here I have created one project that is a dummy project, and under this I have my app. All right, so this is the project, right? I'm not going to explain what is inside this project. I will create a React series where I will explain you from scratch about the React. So for now, I have just created a simple React project. All right. And yeah, I am on my app. Okay, let me go to the GitHub page now. Where are you? GitHub page. Yeah. So here you can see that I can go to the CD my app if it is not, and we can install this. Although this is already installed, but let us do once again here. It will not take much time because it is already there. All right. I am following same steps so that you will not face any issue. That's why. So npm run build. Yeah. So once I press npm run build, you will see that there will be one dist folder, right? So build has been successfully created, and I will take this open reveal in file explorer, and I will upload this dist folder to my S3. All right. Okay. So let me go to the S3, and if you remember, I have already created one bucket that is my CloudFront one, and I am removing this because last time I have uh, published my static website through this index HTML. So this time I am going to use the React build. delete. All right. And now I am going to upload that folder under this bucket. Upload, add folder, and let me choose this path, copy this path, and under this you can directly paste this, and you can choose the dist folder. All right. So all the file has been uploaded here, right? And let me upload this. Okay. So you can see that my file has been uploaded successfully. All right. So let me go to my bucket again. Okay. So my folder has been uploaded here. This folder has been uploaded here. And let me see the property. Okay. As I have already explained about these properties, let me tell you once again. So you should be enable this S3 static website hosting. Okay. If you are not enable this, your website will not be visible to publicly. Second conditions is permissions. You need to off this condition, block public access, and finally you will need to add this bucket policies. I will share my GitHub page to you so you can get all the information. So no need to worry. Okay. So there is one problem actually. I have uploaded the complete dist folder under this. Okay. It will make some complications to hosting the website. So for simplicity, what I am going to do, I am choosing all the file inside this dist file and move under this bucket. Move, choose the target or destination one, whatever it is, and I am going to this one. Yeah, I am going to here. Choose destination. All right. So all the file will be moved from this to here. Move. It may take some time because we have some sizes this time of the file. It is around uh, 232 KB. So let me go to this, and now you can see that everything has been removed from this. Okay, there is no use of this. So now we have index.html, and now let me go to the properties and let me try to run this. Okay, so here you can see that your React application is working now perfectly. All right, so now this is the first way how basically you can host your React application through the S3 S3 static website. Right now I am going to use the CloudFront, same one which we have created last time. So let me go to the distribution. I have disabled this, so first I will enable this. All right, so now let me enable this first. All right, enable this, and let me this is my local running, and this is my this one. All right, it should work automatically because last time when I have created this, so I have provided the same source, right? So let me go inside my distribution, and if we go to the origin, so you will see this is the same path which we have in S3. My CloudFront demo, this is my bucket name, and that is fine. And remember, this should be the HTTP only. All right. So it may take some time to refresh because this is going to map some internal things. So let me try with this distribution name, and let's see if it opens the React one or not. All right, as I said, it will take some time, so let's wait for some time and then we will try. Okay, so actually what is happening, when I was trying to copy this distribution domain name and try to run in a browser, it is still showing me the old 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 website page. That was the index.html. So to resolve this problem, we need to remove the cache. So what you can do, you can go to the invalidation tab, and here you can create and give the slash and star and just create this invalidation. So once you create the invalidation, it will remove the old cache. Okay, and the latest code will be available through the CloudFront. It may take 1 minute to ready this invalidation, and after 1 or 2 minutes you can search your distribution name on a browser and you will get this result. Yeah, you will get this results. So now you can see that we have hosted our React applications through the S3 as well as a CloudFront. So that's all this video. Yeah, please do like, subscribe, comment and share this video, and click on the notification icon to get such kind of video. Thank you.